Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Run, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the crown button, the middle button, until you see the settings menu popping up on the screen. In settings, select the general option by tapping on it. Then scroll down and find the option called Reset Settings. Once you find it, tap on it. And to continue, you need to press the upper button. One thing to mention though, before you continue, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So make sure that the battery is charged, and then you can press the upper button to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, if nothing happens, oh, never mind, it did happen, I must have missed it. But as you can see, we have the list of languages on the screen. It means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.